In this video, I'm going to be snapping different components to the implants after dicom planning. So in the component module, I'm going to be looking for, say, a trade root implant, and let's choose a root form, and we'll just choose something randomly, append. Now, with it being in the middle, we're then going to go to the guide and accept that. And this makes the components necessary to move in the dicom planning. And now let's just move it a little bit around. Okay. So with it being done, we would then, if you wanted to snap other components to this, we can quite easily do this by going to the component menu, and we're going to choose something else. So let's choose the scan bodies. I'm going to go to the root form and choose this one and append. Then we're going to go into transparent mode, choose the scan body itself, B box select, and link it. Now this one we can move, and this one has already been moved in the dicom, so this one then becomes our destination, and then that becomes our match position to destination. So that's matched it perfectly, and we can do the same with abutments for as well if we wanted to do that. So let's go one back, and what I'll do is I'll delete this one over here, delete assembly. Let's bring in some abutments. So trade root abutments, root form, and we'll just select something randomly, apply, transparent. We'll take this component B like that, link that. So now we want to take this one that we can move, the blue, and we're gonna put it there. Note that if you look at the coordinate system, this one has all the proper coordinates which we're trying to match to that side. None of these, the other ones don't have coordinates because they've been parented to this one. So okay, so we're going to go into the component module. This becomes our destination. Select destination, and that creates a duplicate object called destination. We're going to take this one, match position to destination, and let's put it exactly where we need it to be. So if you wanted to theoretically make something like a temporary or something straight away after implant insertion, you could do that or straight away. So then of course what we would then do is we will then go back to the guide module. So let us hide these components. So going to abutment there, and then components, hide that. So we are back to the other one. Go to the guide module, and then we're going to then delete zones and start, and then carry on exactly the way we usually do. So I'll just put a drill diameter, and we're going to move this to the top or the bottom, and then just say 9mm offset, and make a hole. So that sort of concludes the video, and then we've got all of the components there. So if you wanted to unhide them, go into the outliner, or you can just search for the field in the components module where we've got these here, and you can then continue as before.